This Mother's Day, we asked 5Paisa employees some questions about their mothers. Here is what they had to say. What do you call your mother? And what does it mean to you?
I call my mother Ma.
I call my mother Mummy.
Mom, Mummy, Momsy, anything.
I call my mother I.
I call my mother मम्मू.
प्यार से बोलते हैं माते क्या कर रही है, माते क्या करने लग रही है तू, तो ऐसा कर करके मम्मी हंसती भी थी, चिढ़ती भी थी, तो मैं प्यार से माते बोलता हूँ.
Mummy. Sometimes it's Mummy, sometimes it's Mama what?
I call my mother Amma.
And Ma means to encompasses everything. Love, care, strength and sacrifice which she has done for me.
Mummy means my support system for me and also my punching bag.
For me, it means mine. For any problem, anything, she's like one person I would always go to.
Life.
The world to me.
And this is the first word. जब भी born हुआ था तभी पहला word भी यही निकला था.
Means like whenever I'm stuck, just call mummy. Freedom and when I can speak to someone openly about anything.
Mom means everything to me.
What is the best memory that you have with your mother?
The Diwali times where my mom used to have those rangolis outside the house, and she used to give one square each for me and my brother, and she used to make us do the rangolis there.
So we went to a trip to Andamans a couple of years ago, and so my mom is afraid of water, but I convinced her to try snorkeling, and we had that actually we did that activity together, and I think that was one of the best memories for me.
बहुत सारा मार खाया है.
Recently she had bought a new phone, and while having some breakfast the ketchup spilled over her phone, and she was like, oh, what to do, and she had panicked a lot. At that time I just said, lick the phone, and she licked it literally, and she believed me so much that we were laughing out like hell.
My mom wanted to buy one gold jewelry. Then when I started working, that time I gifted her with my own money, and that time she was really happy.
बेस्ट मेमोरी वही है जब मम्मी हमारे को मारा करती थी झाड़ू से या फिर बैट वगैरह से.
What activities do you enjoy doing together with your mother?
For now these days, since I work at 5Paisa, every day she would ask, आज market का क्या हुआ? And I would tell her Nifty में कितना up down हुआ. I think that's one of the things which I enjoy doing with her.
So on Sunday we both do cooking. I love doing cooking with my mom.
We both do sketching together, we both paint together.
Going to temples with her because she's very religious.
When we sit together to talk that उन्होंने क्या हमारे लिए किया था and what I should do for my child.
I like to do shopping and she like to do bargaining. So we both like a good combination.
How does your mother react when you lose her favorite tiffin boxes?
हे काय? आपण परत हरवलास? तुम्हाला होतं काय ठेवायला डबा लगेच बॅगेमध्ये जेवल्यावर?
वो रिएक्शन देखने के लिए घर ही नहीं जाता.
She gets a little angry.
हमारा जब भी आता था डब्बा तो टपरवेयर का होता था. इतने सारे अभी तक आए थे वो घुमा दिए हैं कि फाइनली थ्रो अवे कंटेनर में अभी खाना आता है.
She made me stand out of house on the house gate for about 15 minutes. You bring the new tiffin and then you step into the house.
मम्मी बोलती है इसके पैसे कौन देगा साले, एक टिफिन आता तो बार बार खो के आता है.
Here comes a daughter and here comes a tiffin box. So it's like if you don't have Tupperware brand डब्बा then you are not allowed to enter home. उद्या जर तू आलीस तर डब्बा घेऊन ये नाही तर घराच्या बाहेर राहा.
What makes your mother happy?
All mothers are only happy when they see their child happy.
She's a very religious person. So if I take her to a temple, it makes her very happy.
Seeing me grow, that makes her happy.
She feels very happy because when she sees my son following the values what she has inculcated in me.
I think seeing me becoming successful is something that makes her really happy.
Flowers, so I always carry flowers with me whenever I visit at my place. So that makes her happy.
Whenever I go home with my daughter, that makes her happy.
I think अगर मम्मी से मैं कभी बात कर लूँ खुद से चला के फ़ोन पे तो मम्मी उससे खुश हो जाती है. अगर मम्मी मेरे को टाइम पे बुलाए कभी घर पे मिलने के लिए, जैसे अभी आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट मेरे को 7 से 8 साल हो चुके हैं घर से बाहर रहते हुए, तो अगर मम्मी मेरे को बुलाती है कभी छुट्टी में कि भाई आ जा मिलने, अगर मैं चला जाऊँ तो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स हर मोर हैप्पी.
What special thing are you planning to do for your mom this Mother's Day?
वैसे कब है मदर्स डे?
I won't plan anything I may say, but तिला एक मोठा हग करेन.
This time I have two mothers. One is my mother-in-law and one is my mother. Cutting cake with them, a spa for them.
As a special gift, I would send her a box of rubbery
This video would be the most special, the best thing I would have done so far.
We are planning to go on a road trip together.
I go to Bandra, Kolaba and do street shopping for her, and whenever I send her, she is just happy.
My nanny, my mom, me and my son are planning for a lunch, and that is like 4 generations together, and that picture I'm gonna capture and keep with me for the lifetime.
I have planned to give her a surprise gift.
Certainly making paintings for her, and this Mother's Day I'm planning to courier her all the paintings which I made.
What message would you like to give to your mother this Mother's Day?
Right now I am not in contact with her, so I may call her this Mother Day and I'll say sorry for whatever I have done, and I can also say thank you to her to make me realize that how strong I am.
तिला एक थँक्यू हे म्हणायचं की पप्पा जवळ नसल्यामुळे पण तिने नेहमी माझा साथ दिला आणि माझ्या छोट्यातल्या छोट्या आणि मोठ्यातल्या मोठ्या गोष्टीमध्ये शी वॉज ऑलवेज विथ मी.
मम्मी आणि लाईक मस्त मस्त प्रीती म्हणतोय. I love you so much.
Mummy, I may not be the perfect daughter for you, but then I really love you a lot.
Thank you for all the sacrifices she has done, and thank you for all the love and care which she has given me.
I love her a lot.
Mummy, আমি তোমাকে অনেক মনে করি, আমার কাছে জলদি থেকে এসে যাও.
Relatable much? So what have you planned for Mother's Day? Share with us in the comments. 5Paisa wishes everyone a happy Mother's Day.